Alright, today we have on the workbench old Homelite 20, and there is the model number and information from Harvard, Illinois. Harvard is the home of True Value Hardware Store, and as you'll see, it actually says True Value right on the front of the thing. I believe True Value also used to make Lawn Chief. But there's the date code. I don't know what the date code, how to read that, but we'll look into that. So, good shape this one is in. The owner really likes it. He had me put new wheels on it, and I'll show you now what it looks like underneath. It is a mulching lawnmower. All right, so let's look at the blade system for this Homelite. Top blade and the spacer, and the bottom blade and the bolt. So you'll see that the two blades are different. The spacer's got multiple holes in it, but we're only going to be concerned about the middle hole. So you can see there's a I don't know what you call these, shoulders or something on here. What we're going to do is put it on in between here with the shoulders up, and then this blade will sit like so, and the bolt goes up through the middle, and then you line up these two holes with these two doohickeys here, and that is the mulching system on this Homelite lawnmower. So we'll sharpen them up and get this all back together. As I'm sucking the oil out of it, I also want to mention this is a Briggs & Stratton engine. I also want to mention that I think that this deck is aluminum or magnesium or some sort of aluminum alloy, because it's pretty lightweight, and you know, they used to make things like that way back when.